Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. And in this video, this is another viewer request video. My girl Ashley where there? Ashley Robinson, raise your hand, you did this. You requested this video. On my video where I reviewed the new Laws of Nature foundation, she wrote, wait there. Okay sis, give us the lowdown. Has the formula changed, which I answered in the comment section, but she also said, how does it compare to plain Jane Beauty foundation? And I was like, that would be a good video. That would be a good video though, Ashley. Thank you very much. So the reason why she asked is because, as you guys know for a while now, plain Jane Beauty foundation was my holy grail foundation. And then I fell in love now with Laws of Nature Cosmetics Foundation, and I called that one my holy grail as well in my last video. So she wanted me to see how they compare with each other and to see which one is really my holy grail. But I'm also interested to see what will happen when I compare the two. This is not I don't want it to be like a drama video between both companies, because I love, respect, and represent both companies. Did I say countries? I hope I didn't, you know. But if I did, I meant companies. Yeah, I love both companies. I respect both companies. I represent both companies. So this is just for informational purposes only. It's all love up and throughout this entire video. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to complain. Lord have mercy. We are going to compare plain Jane and Laws of Nature just to give you guys a comparison. Let's start by swatching the foundations. Plain Jane Beauty Cream Minerals Liquid Foundation in the shade I Am Magnificent number 14. That is just one pump of the shade, and I'm going to just, you know, that is plain Jane right there. Next, I'm going to swatch the Laws of Nature Foxy Finish Mineral Cream Foundation, and this one is in the shade Chestnut. That is it right there. Use a clean finger. And buff it out. So this is Laws and this is plain Jane. Obviously, it is a very heavy swatch. The Laws of Nature is more deep and rich in color, and the plain Jane is a little bit lighter. So now that you see it on my hand, you must be like, how do these two different shades match this girl? I'm gonna know how it happened. It just does. But they match me in different ways, and I'm going to show you that. So really quick on my face, because I don't want to cover my face with the entire foundation and you can't see how it matches me. I'm going to do a quick demo of a swatch test on a small side of my face. My face is small, but I'm going to do a quick little demo test of this is the plain Jane right here. And I'm going to blend it in. And as you can see, plain Jane just basically blended right into my skin. We're going to do the same patch test again now on the right side of my face with Laws of Nature. A little dot. And a clean brush. And then we're gonna just do a little patch test. And as you can see, that one basically disappeared into my skin as well. I just wanted to do it that way to show you guys, before I covered my entire face with the foundation, that they both blend into my skin tone when I apply them. Now we're going to apply the foundation all over to the face, and then we're going to talk. So once again, continuing with the same thing, plain Jane, we're going to put you on the left side. Clean brush. We're just going to blend it in. I applied 2 applications of plain Jane on this side. That's how it's looking. Nothing on this side. So you can see. Now let's apply the Laws Chestnut on the other side. This was the plain Jane brush. This is going to be the Laws brush. Different brush. This is the LON side. This is how it's looking. All right, face to face, dead on. Now look right there in her face. Which one do you guys prefer, if any, or do you like both? This is the plain Jane side, a little bit lighter, more skin-like, a little bit lighter. And this side is the LON's side, giving me more of a summer tan glow situation, but not deep tan, but just like a natural, deeper skin tone glow. You know, like the melanin is just glowing a little bit more. All right, so give me a few minutes. I'm gonna put on eyebrows and then I'm gonna come back and discuss more about these products. I'm serving you guys a little basic face, a little basic beat. I did my eyebrows real quick, real simple, real cute. Also put on some eyeliner, top and bottom, and some mascara, and just a little touch, a little lip situation, and that is it. Nothing else on the face because it's all about the foundations. So now while the foundation is on my face, you guys will have plenty of time to examine it, make your decisions, while I just give you guys the rundown and give you more information about each particular foundation. So let's start with price-wise. Plain Jane Beauty Foundation is $40. Laws of Nature Foundation is $25. For Plain Jane Beauty Foundation, you're getting 1 ounce worth of product. For Laws of Nature, you're getting 0.5 ounce of product. Plain Jane Beauty offers Plain Jane Beauty offers 17 shades, and Laws of Nature offers 17 shades as well. Plain Jane Beauty, it is 85% certified organic. It is an aloe leaf based foundation. That is the first ingredient. It has jojoba seed oil, it has green tea leaf extract, it has neem seed. It also has, what else? Formulated with vitamin C, E, and A, rosehip seed, evening primrose, and some other amazing ingredients. All right, for the Laws of Nature, it is the matte formula, which is the formula that I'm wearing currently. It is 86% organic. It also has aloe leaf juice, some other ingredients like castor oil, extra virgin olive oil, and also for this one, aloe leaf juice is the primary ingredient as well. It also has kaolin clay, vitamin E, zinc oxide, and some other beneficial ingredients as well. Plain Jane will give you more of a skin-like finish, while Laws of Nature, this particular formula will give you a matte finish. They have 2 formulas, the matte and the satin. I chose the matte finish. As far as coverage, I say, in my opinion, let's look at this good. Plain Jane is more of a light to medium, and Laws is more of a medium to possibly full. Compare between the two of them, I do find I get a fuller coverage with Laws versus the Plain Jane. What else can we compare? As far as skin type, Plain Jane, this one will be geared for all skin types, I would say, because it gives you a skin-like finish. This one, the matte one, I would recommend it for combination skin, oily skin, or even normal skin. Yes, it also have the satin formula, so if you have dry skin, the satin formula will work for you great as well. Both companies are women of color owned, and they're both small businesses, and I support both. What else? Let's see. And I can see, I'm looking at the viewfinder and I'm looking in the mirror, I can definitely see the difference between the two. Nothing else I can tell you about the products right now. So what I'm going to do is wear it for as long as I can. I did get a late start to my day because honestly I was out last night partying. I'm gonna be honest, I really was. And anyway, it is right now 1:13 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna wear this entire face for as long as I can, and then come back and give you guys my thoughts about how it leaves my skin at the end of the day. Which one got more oily, which one, you know, moved, which one budged. I don't expect much negativity because I love both of these foundations and it's not my first time wearing it, and I'm kind of used to these foundations already. But we're gonna see how they compare to each other side by side. That's all, and I'll come back and check you guys out. And I'll come back and report to you guys later. 6:30. Can you see that? No. But that's 6:30. 6:30 in the afternoon. I try to wear it as long as I could, but I'm tired. I don't know who I think I am, going out partying till all hours of the night, and I'm really about to go to bed right about now. But anyway, just an update. This is how the face is looking. Once again, this was the plain Jane beauty side. This is plain Jane. And this was the Laws side. As usual, I am only in my T-zone, so that is expected. Just that combination skin life. I find that with the plain Jane, I'm more dewy, just a little bit, not too dewy. With the Laws, I'm a little bit more matte. And I can still see the color difference, I can. With the plain Jane side, if I want to go as rich as the Laws side, I can possibly look into getting a deeper shade and possibly achieve the same deep, rich color as the Laws side. And same thing for the Laws. If I want to do just a smidgen lighter, especially for the winter months, and achieve the plain Jane side, I can go up, maybe lighter up one, just a notch in their foundation as well, and achieve the same look. So I don't want to focus too much on the shade. I mean, to me, they really both match my skin tone. Honestly, I find, in my opinion, they both look good on me. But the good thing is there are options, you know? 17 shades, there are options for everyone from the lightest to the darkest and in between. So there are options. That is a good thing. So don't focus too much on the shade. But I find that they both finish beautifully. Now, I know you guys might want me to choose the one that I really, 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 really like. And right now, if I had to choose, I'm leaning more towards Laws. This leaves my skin more matte, because I have that oily combination skin. So the fact that it leaves my skin a little bit more matte, I like it a little bit more over the plain Jane. But all in all, I prefer both. Yeah, I prefer both. That is my story, and I'm sticking to it. Let me know in the comment section which one do you guys prefer. If you like both of them, which one do you currently wear? Do you wear plain Jane? Do you wear Laws? Do you wear both? And if you do have both, which one do you prefer? You should try it. Put one on one side and one on one side and see how it works out for you. And that's that. Don't want to keep you guys too long. That was my quick little rundown between both foundations. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Any other video ideas, definitely leave it in the comment section and I'll try to get it done as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.